Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 3.7 question number 11. Find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. Right? And question number A, B, C, D. What do you observe in the results obtained? Let us find what are the properties or result we will obtain at the end. First of all, we will find the LCM of the numbers. Right? That is question number A. Now we are finding the LCM of 5 and 20, right? Find the LCM of 5 and 20, 5 and 20, right? We divide it by 5, that is 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20, right? And this 1 and 4 is only divisible by 1, therefore we got the LCM. Therefore LCM of 5 and 20, 5 and 20 is equal to 5 4 is 20, that is 5 into 1 into 4 is equal to 20. 20 is the LCM. Therefore, we got the answer as 20. Right? Now, question number B. Question number B is LCM of 6 and 18. LCM of this is LCM of 6 and 18. 6 and 18. What are the LCM of 6 and 18? We got here is 6. Find the LCM of 6 and 18. 6 and 18 we will divide it by 2. That is 2 3 is 6 and 2 9 is 18. We will divide again by 3. That is 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 is 9. Therefore, the LCM is 2 into 3 into 1 into 3. That is 3 is 6. This is 18. 18 is the LCM. Here we will get the LCM as 18. Next is C. C number is C, that 12 and 48. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 48 and 48. What is the LCM of the two numbers 12 and 48? Here you see the number is 12, 48. We divide by 2. 2 6 is 12. 2 6 is 12. 2 2 is 4. 2 4 is 8. Again we will divide it by 2. That is 2 3 is 6. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. Again we will divide it by 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 4 is 12. And this 1 and 4 is divisible by only 1. Therefore, we stop here. Therefore, the answer is 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 4. What you get? That is 2 2 is 4. 4 3 is 12. 4 12 is 48. Right? That is 48. The answer is 48. And in question D, what we get? LCM of 9 and 45. 9 and 45. What you are getting, you see? You find the LCM of 9 and 45, that is 9 and 45. We will divide it by 3. That is 3 3 is 9. 3 1 is 3. 3 5 is 15. Again we will divide by 3. That is 3 1 is 3. 3 5 is 15. Therefore, LCM is 3 into 3 into 1 into 5. That is 3 is 9. 5 9 is 45. Right? The LCM is 45. Right? Next, what do you observe in the results obtained? We have two observations in this case. Right? That is property 1. What is property 1? What is the observation? First observation is C. You see that is the latter number. There are two numbers. One is 5 and 20. Right? The LCM is the bigger number. Here 20 is the LCM. Right? Here also, in case of B, 18 is the LCM. In case of C, 48 is the LCM. And in case of D, 45 is the LCM of the two numbers. That means the bigger number is the LCM. Right? This is the first observation. That is, the bigger number is the LCM. The bigger number or larger number, the bigger number is the LCM. Number is the LCM. This is property 1, and property 2 we can say that here you say here we got 5 and 20. That means 5 is the factor of 20, right? Well, that means the 5 here in this case 5 in this case 5 is the factor of 20, and in this case 6 is the factor of 18, and 12 is the factor of 48, and 9 is the factor of 45, right? Therefore in this case the previous number is the factor of the latter one, right? The previous number, this is the observation 2, the previous number is the factor of the previous number is the factor of the next number, factor of the second number, you can say second number. This is the observation, right? That means we can say that here that 5 is the factor of 20, right? 6 is the factor of 18, 12 is the factor of 48, and 9 is the factor of 45. In this case we see that in which one number is the factor of the other, right? That means the first number is the factor of the second number. That there are two observations. The bigger number is the LCM, that is 20, 18, 48 and 45, and the second observation is that the first number is the factor of the second number, right? That means 5 is the factor of 20, 6 is the factor of 18, 12 is the factor of 48, and 9 is the factor of 45. This is the solution of question number 11.